In the next episode of the Saftigam Sensen, Erkan is under heavy emotional pressure. On one side, he has Tekla, the woman he wants to protect and keep close. On the other side, he has family to all secret person trap Hamdi and angry and fervent dangerous to games. Erkan is no longer to dealing with no problem. He is standing in the middle of many storm at the same time. The video that her to Dekla created a big crack in their trust. Erkan knows that if a Dekla believes wrong time, the relationship break deeply. That is why he tried to prove that the image placed to front of Dekla is not to real true, but proving innocent is not easy when someone has already planted doubt in heart. Dekla pain is real and Erkan must understand that cannot to be a love repaired by words. The news about to Daria believed to be a put of Erkan in one position. He is happy for Dekla, but he also know that true is dangerous. If a wrong people learn into Dekla, the Daria may both become a target. Erkan protective side becomes stronger, but now he must carefully if hide so much. Dekla feels he battered again. If he tells to everything too fast, the danger may grow. This is Erkan's biggest challenge: how to protect Dekla without taking away to right now the true person to remind one of the Erkan biggest problem. He knows she is acting with a clean heart. Her jealousy plans have already caused enough to trouble. Erkan to may have decided to face her more directly, but Bersan is not to be a someone who accept to defect quietly. If she feel concerned, she may create another trap. In the next episode of Erkan Love will be tested by true. It is the easy say I love you once everything is claimed to, but Erkan must prove it secret to enemies and family pressures around him. Dekla to need honesty more than protection need now. If Erkan understand there to bound and become to unbreakable, but if he make one wrong move, even when the attention Dekla may step away from him again.